World Prematurity Day is 2 days away. It's November 17. So we've invited the founder of the Preemie Foundation here in Jamaica, Sarika Sterling. She started the foundation after dealing with her own tragedy. We've had her on Smile Jamaica before talking about that. So we're very happy to welcome her once again. Good morning, Sarika. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. All right, so World Prematurity Awareness Day, of course, to inform the public a little bit more about what happens. Since the last time, though, tell me what has been happening with the foundation.
Well, the foundation has been growing from strength to strength, and we really appreciate that. We started last year, November. We launched actually on World Prematurity Day, and since then, what we have been doing is trying to raise awareness about the foundation and what we do. It has been going quite well, but we still, have ways to go. But we are really happy at where we are right now.
Are more and more people becoming a little bit more appreciative of the process? Are parents who have premature children understanding a little bit more what this journey is about?
Yes, they are, and we found that a lot of Jamaicans are not understanding the process as well, because the challenge was really not for the preemie families, because we're the ones that go through it, and it's in going through it that we really understand, like, wow, this is really a phenomenon, this is really an emotional experience, and it goes with you for the rest of your life. What we experience is that a lot of other persons never really appreciate what we go through and understand it. So the Preemie Foundation was really set up to help sensitize citizens as to how to deal with persons who have gone through this experience, be it turned out tragic or, they have a survivor. Because what we found is that a lot of persons never really knew what to say to us, especially when we have experienced a loss or even when we're in the hospital. So a lot of the times we have, things that seem insensitive being said to us. But, what's the reason why I started the foundation is because I understood this just came from a place of a lack of understanding. So the Preemie Foundation is trying to help to raise awareness for persons to be able to deal with us, as well as to assist the medical system in terms of, getting up to par with giving every preemie a fighting chance.
All right, so you've had your World Prematurity Awareness Treat?
Yes, last year.
Last year, and families are treated to lunch and care packages. You have sip and paint for preemies. You've done your blood drive.
Yes.
What's going to be happening this month?
This month we are doing a textathon. What I'm trying to do is to get ordinary citizens to donate, and we take on the approach of every mickle make a muckle, really. So Digicel has partnered with us. They gave us a text line, so persons can text Preemie to 444-2462 and to make a small donation of only $20. The way I look at it is, if 1 million persons give $20, that's $20 million for us to outfit a hospital with the necessary equipment needed, to give our preemies a fighting chance.
Right.
In addition to that, we are looking to give out care packages to families on the NICU. I tell you, Dela, when you're on the NICU, firstly, this is unexpected. I never had a baby bag packed, when I went into labor. I had absolutely nothing. And a lot of persons had to be running around to get things for me. And, when your child is in the NICU and, they're close to death, the last thing you're thinking about is food, combing your hair, toiletries, diapers. You just want to know, are they going to survive?
You also may not have the time.
And you don't have the time. That's true. So what we try to do is to put together a little package with, diapers, wipes, olive oil or coconut oil, and toiletries for the parents, because a lot of us have to stay at the hospital. While I was there, we had families from Westmoreland, Mandeville, and you had to sleep at the hospital. So we're looking to add stuff like soap, travel size toothbrush, deodorant and stuff like that, as well as, food vouchers.
Yeah.
So we have gotten a few. It has been a challenge, Dela, I must tell you. But, when you're passionate about something, you stick with the fight.
So for persons who are watching now that may be able to, I don't know, donate something to a care package, what would they do?
They can call us at 876-665-1210. They can DM us on any of our social media platforms, or they can email us at premiefoundationjamaica@gmail.com, and we will arrange to pick it up for you, so you don't have to go through the hassle. If you want to give funds, you can donate through our bank account at Jane. Again, that information is on all our social media pages. or you can, you can call and we will pick it up as well.
Yeah.
So far, we have gotten a few things. We really appreciate the persons who came on board. Restaurant of Jamaica came on board and donated, food vouchers. We have Pigeon and Lansinger who came in and gave us breast milk storage bag, which is very important.
Yes.
And we got diapers from Lovables, and CariMed gave us a few bars of soap.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes, and Circle K, they got a mandate from internationally to give care packages, and majority of them have reached out to us to assist in terms of distributing these packages. So we have a number of things, but there's still a lot of things that we're looking for. We need to go.
All right.
So what we need for the care packages are diapers, wipes, olive oil. We're looking for toiletries for the adults, as well as food vouchers. But our bigger plan is really to make an impact at our hospitals, because what we found is that a lot of our hospitals are not very prepared to take in the number of premature babies that are being born. I share with you, Dela, while I was at the hospital, I met a number of families who this was their second time around, and they lost their first premature child because the hospital just did not have the equipment, not because they never had a chance at life. And for many of those mothers, what they said to me is that, it took them many, many years. One of them, it was 10 years that they waited before they even tried, because they were so afraid of hearing, we don't know what to do because we don't have the equipment. So what the Preemie Foundation is trying to do is to remove that sort of stress from the family. Every premature child should have a fighting chance. Just like my children, they got a chance at life. And I'm able to deal with their death because I knew that there was nothing else that could have been done. I'm not sure how I would have handled it if I was told that something could have been done, but we just don't have the equipment.
Yeah. All right, we have to go, Sarika. But again, quickly before we go, if they want to find you, numbers, where do they find the Preemie?
If you want to find the Preemie Foundation, we're at 22 Trafalgar Road. You can call us at 876-665-1210. You can email us at preemiefoundationjamaica@gmail.com. You can send us a direct message on any of our social media platform, which is Facebook and Instagram. Once you type in Preemie, Preemie, you should see our name pop up, and our picture, our DM picture is two purple boxing gloves, because our Preemies are fighting. Yes.
Awesome. Wonderful. Sarika, thank you. Founder of the Preemie Foundation, Sarika Sterling.